cantant al compàs de les esquelles.
Hello, we're Trondheim Voices. We're here to perform at the Veos Festival in Olot.
We are from Norway and we went from winter and snow to this sunny place, beautiful place.
Per fi puc tocar el que el meu cor somiava.
Hola, som les dones de Franc i estem aquí al Festival Veus d'Olot i per mi cantar és viure.
Em fa estimar el futur, el futur.
Hola, gent d'Olot, nosaltres som Broadway a Capella.
I estem encantats de participar al Festival Veus d'Olot. Visca el Festival Veus, no, nois?
Stay away from me before my morning coffee.
Hola, somos Oh Sister, venimos de Sevilla.
Estamos contentísimos de estar aquí en este festival maravilloso llamado Veus en Olot.
I am lost without my caffeine dose.
¡Larga vida!
I'm asking him to change his ways, and no message could have been any clearer. If you want to make the world a better place, take a look at yourself.
We are Take Six. Enjoy Festival Veos.
There used to be a time when I would blame somebody else for everything that happened to me. Nothing ever changed. turned and asked myself, I said, Sam, what's wrong with me? I can't help it, I can't fight it, wanna hide it, but it seems to be me.
Boop